We actually use the Appian FinalMile on a daily basis. We use all aspects of that: direct route, DR track, and D2 link. It's all the whole group. We use direct route for actually all of our routing, for all of our pickups, donation pickups throughout the day. And that helps us get the most optimal routes, most stops on the route, least amount of miles. We first noticed positive results from implementation of FinalMile within the first month, maybe even the first week or two, but we had to ease into it. But definitely over the first month, we definitely saw a decrease in miles. We were having higher productivity. We're getting more stops on our trucks. We're actually filling up our trucks instead of halfway full throughout we were getting close to that. And it helped us actually right-size our fleet and our driver force as well. When we were using a routing previously, we were actually limited going down only to the zip code level. So that was our smallest granule that we could actually go down to. Now we're actually able to do it by actual pickup, by address, and route accordingly rather than being limited by zip code area. Everything was paper. Drivers were writing on their manifests how much they were picking up. Now we're doing it electronically. We can actually track it throughout the day and do all kinds of KPIs with that data. So it's been a great thing for us. Appian FinalMile has helped us with our customer service due to the fact that we can actually see estimated time of arrivals on the routes based on what has happened previously in the day. That's a very helpful tool for eliminating so many calls between our customer service team, who has to call a dispatcher, who has to call the driver. We give the customer service team limited visibility into that, and they'll be able to communicate that to the donors. The single most valuable thing about Appian FinalMile, I would say the whole thing. But if we have to actually pick one, I would say direct route, because that's the core of everything. Having the right routes and the most efficient routes to start your day out with. That's the key to all. Once you get through that, then of course tracking and dispatch and driver visibility is all just bonuses on the cake, but you need the cake before you can put the icing on. So